Hey guys, welcome to another edition of An Engineer's Opinion. This time I'm going to be talking about Facebook open sourcing their artificial intelligence hardware. So let's go ahead and jump over to the article. So what we have here is on Facebook, on code.facebook.com, which is basically an article here that says Facebook to open source AR hardware. So let's take a look at Big Sur is the name of their little server here. You can see the design here is in line with Facebook's idea of continuing to use commercial off-the-shelf hardware. So what they have is 8 Nvidia Tesla M40 deep learning cards. And so the M40 is a new card that was just announced a month ago by Nvidia, and it is a purpose-built card for machine learning. So what this means is they built it for the idea of machine learning. That's its entire purpose. So because it was purpose built, it's very good at it. So you can see the numbers here. We're comparing it to a dual core CPU server that takes 6 days to do the same task the Tesla can do in 4 days. This is the advantage of using purpose built hardware. So let's jump back over to the Facebook thing here. So you can see all the green in here. And the idea of the green is this is what the techs are actually going to touch. So the idea is they have all toolless installs. And everything is toolless minus the CPU fan and the CPU cooler. So it's going to be very easy to maintain and build because everything is toolless. And that'll help keep costs down. And the other big thing is, you can see by this big airflow shield here is, it's designed to be air cooled, so you don't need specialized industrial coolers to actually keep it cool. So this helps keeps costs down, and you don't have to build a specialized data center. You can just have it in a air cooled center. And so you might ask, why is Facebook open sourcing their software and their hardware actually? So they do this because then it's not just them developing this hardware. It's not just them developing the software. They can draw on everybody doing machine learning and artificial intelligence. This allows technology to progress even faster, and it allows their hardware, if they didn't get it perfect, somebody could suggest, hey, if you add one more card or use a different type of RAM or something like that, they can make those changes, and they don't have to have paid for the man hours and the men to actually figure that out. Somebody else figured it out for them, and they can easily implement it if it's a good solution. This helps keeps their costs down. And so by sharing all of their hardware and their software, everybody has access to the same things, so they're not trying to develop a system to do their artificial intelligence. They can actually just do the research by using the hardware design somebody else already has. Again, saving time, saving money. You see the trend here? So open source is great, and I'm glad Facebook is doing it because artificial intelligence and machine learning is going to progress even faster, and it's going to get even better, even faster, while keeping, you guessed it, cost and effort and time all down. And this is great for us end consumers because that means things get better, things get faster, and things get cheaper. So I'm really looking forward to see what kind of new designs come up, what kind of new programs are actually able to be created with this faster, better artificial intelligence. And that's an engineer's opinion.